Welcome to our channel. Using your senior discount card at the store counter helps you save money on eligible purchases. Step 1. Obtain your senior discount card by visiting the customer service desk at the retail store and asking about their senior discount program. Step 2. Bring a valid government-issued photo ID showing your date of birth to verify you meet the age requirement, typically 55 or 60 years old. Step 3. Complete any required application or registration form at the customer service counter. Step 4. Provide necessary personal information such as your name, address, phone number, and date of birth. Step 5. The store associate will process your application and issue your senior discount card immediately or mail it to you. Step 6. If you receive your card at the counter, sign the back with a permanent marker. Step 7. Ask the associate about discount details, including percentage off, eligible items, and specific discount days. Step 8. Keep your senior discount card with you whenever you shop at participating stores. Step 9. When making a purchase, present your senior discount card to the cashier before they begin scanning items. Step 10. The cashier will scan your card or enter the discount manually to apply savings to your purchase. Step 11. Verify the discount appears on your receipt before completing payment. Your senior discount card helps you save on groceries, prescriptions, and other purchases. Use it regularly to maximize savings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.